have seen it. I wish Pink, that's called Try. David Connor's out and about with the because you know, the man is just slightly nuts when it comes to doing things. He likes to do everything to extremes. When he's down there at the moment with Mooney. Can you hear me, David? Yeah.
So we are here together, as if doing a show together is bad enough for now to spend time with each other every Friday.
Yeah, it's breaking my heart, it really is.
We are here at Dundalk Square on ice for the official opening, which is happening at 5:30. Of course, we're going to turn on the lights as well at the tree outside. You know, you're obviously excited about the fact that you can use electricity without having to pay for it, so I know you are excited about that. And we've also got Laura. Where are you from?
Claremorris in Mayo.
From Claremorris. What are you doing all the way over in Dundalk College?
Yeah, I'm in college in Dundalk.
What are you studying?
Business studies.
Okay, and I know you've got a friend here. What's her name? Because she won't talk to
I'm calling Louise, and she's too shy.
She's too shy. I bet she's not that shy when she's out on a night out here in Dundalk.
She's sick today, you see, so that's why.
So you heard on my radio that we were going to be here. You said you'd come down and try it out, so you're about to go out, are you?
Yeah, I can't wait now. Just going to get the skates on.
Oh, that was a really bad pun. That was like something that I would say to Beyonce. You've been listening to the show for too long. So you think you're going to fall on your ass?
Oh no, I'm brilliant. No, this one now you should be worried about.
Oh really?
Yeah, there'll be a lot of pushing now.
Alright, well listen, from all the way from Claremorris over in Dundalk, I would like to say you travel all the way here to see us, but you're really in college.
I did.
Oh really?
I was off today, but yeah, I travelled all the way to see it.
Brilliant. I believe there's also a young man over here who can do a Johnny Explosa. Do you want to try it? No, who's it? Right, so Johnny Explosa, as we know from the Hijacker prank phone calls, Johnny Explosa is an Australian man who's quite sleazy. What's your name?
Sean.
And what age are you?
10.
10, oh my god, I'm influencing people in the wrong way, I think. So you're going to do a Johnny Explosion, and what are you going to say?
G'day.
Say, I've got to say, you're quite a good looking man. Right, I want you to say that, okay? So here we go.
I'm going to say you're quite a little dick.
Oh, yeah. Well done. That's right. And who are you here with?
Very tight, brother.
Okay, and what's their name? Just say hello to them.
Mom.
And what's your brother's name?
Bernard.
Bernard. So you're going to go, are you good ice skaters? We'll find out in a minute if you fall. Alright, so we're at Dundalk Square now.
With too tight.